Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. In this video, we are going to be doing a makeup challenge. Whoa! I haven't done makeup on my channel in a hot minute, and I'm pretty excited, but I'm kind of nervous. Before this, I was definitely Googling if red lights hurt your eyes. I think it should be okay as long as it's LED, and this is the LED light challenge. Now, if you guys have not seen this, I guess this got popular on TikTok, but I saw James Charles and Nikki Tutorials do this. Many other YouTubers I think have done it, but those are the ones that I saw. So here's the scoop on LED lights. So I guess when you have lights on, it mutes out colors. So basically, like if you have a really colorful palette like I have right here, I really don't want to open it because I don't want to see the colors, so like there you go, colorful palette, and then you turn on the LED lights and all those colors will look very similar, like in the same range of like 10 shades of red. Well, mine's gonna be red because mine are red lights. You can't see a blue from a yellow, a pink from a gray. They all look super similar. So basically, the challenge is to do your makeup under these lights, and then when you turn them on, you're like surprised with what you did. So obviously, I picked out my most crazy makeup because I want to see how crazy we can get. And I already did my face makeup just because like it doesn't really matter which one I choose, it's all going to be just this shade. But I will be putting on blush and bronzer because I think it will look different when I put it on. So I think without further ado, let's turn on these red lights and see what it does. Let's do it. Okay, so here's the lighting. This is like having the worst camera ever. Like this, my camera hates this also. Like it's just constantly trying to find my face. So I'm gonna have to turn autofocus off. Hopefully that autofocus is correct on my face. And let's just get into this. I am not gonna know what any color is. I'm looking at everything right now. Thankfully, I don't know what the James Charles palette, like where the right colors are. Right now, it's all just looking like many different shades of like neutral. Oh gosh. Like all you can really distinguish is the darks from light. I'm gonna start off pretty tame, just get my bearings. I'm gonna use this blush palette. This is pretty straightforward. I'm pretty sure this is like the more muted pink. So I'm gonna take that one, put that on my cheeks. I don't know if I can tell where this is going, to be honest. Like, is anything even going on my face? To those people who always have LED lights on in your room, how do you do that? Like, my eyes are bugging out. Everything I look at is just so weird. Okay, this one's pretty obvious. I'm gonna contour with this. The only thing that's probably fun about this aspect is that I don't really know when it's going on my face correctly. So I might have a ton on one side and not enough on the other. Okay, I think I can see that, and I feel like that's a bad sign. If I can see this through the harsh lighting, I think maybe it's a little bit too dark. Okay, but now we are going to get started on the eyes. Now I have a huge thought, I might use this one because this one's the most, like the most, I can't tell. So let's give this one a shot, shall we? You know what is like a battle on its own is a lot of these makeup brushes are dirty and like that looks like brown, but I don't know. And then like this one also looks like a different shade of brown, but it might very well be like pink on there. So yeah, but to start off, I just want to take like a brow bone sort of color. So I think any of these will be good. I guess I'll just go for this one mixed with this one over here. And I'm just going to place that all over both of my eyes. And so far, I don't think anything too crazy could have happened with that, right? Like we're still in the safe zone, I think. Okay, so I'm gonna start building up my crease. So I wanna take just like a brown. This brown looks really good. So I think maybe I'll just take this one and I'm gonna put it in the crease. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on one eye and then I'll think later. Oh my gosh, I can hardly see it. Are you kidding me? Do I have to put more? Wow. These lights make it seem like I'm so good at blending, like it's pretty much all gone. Okay, now I want to darken that up a little bit. So I'm going to take this color right here. And this looks like it almost could have a little purpley tinge to it. I'm not too sure. I really don't know, but we're going to put that on the outer corner. Oh my gosh, that's dark. Okay. Holy, what is this color? Like, honestly, what is this color? I have no idea. I can see fallout. That's how you know it's bad. If I had to guess what this color was, I think I put on taupe, and now this is like navy. Just a guess though. Okay, that looks pretty blended. You guys can hardly tell what's going on right now. I'm so sorry. And now I'm going to take a color that I think I want to blend it over with. And you know, like, I just gotta go with something like this one, I think. One below our transition color. And I'm just going to blend that into kind of like the center bit right here. Can't believe how much I don't know what I'm doing right now. Like, I thought I'd have like a clue. Like, I thought it would be like, yeah, it's like pretty much not able to notice. But I have a pretty good idea that I'm using like a blue or like a red. So now I can kind of make out shimmery colors in here. So I'm gonna take maybe this one and then this one. This one will be more on the outside. Oh my gosh, it doesn't even show up on my finger. That's so weird. This is so weird, discovering red light for the first time. Is that even going on my eye? I'm gonna get out of here and I'm gonna have literally powder all over me. And then with what I hope to be a clean brush, I'm going to take this sparkly one, I think. Okay, that looks dark now. What color are you? And I'm just going to connect those two. I'm gonna take a color for my under eyes, and I'm gonna take this one just because I haven't touched into it yet. It looks like a shimmery brown color, so does everything else. And I'm just going to trace that on the lower lash line. It's also funny how much you think you know a palette. Like, I would have thought that I would know this palette, but I don't know where anything is. Like, I know that this is like the light area, but what are these? Like, is this brown or is this brown? I don't know, but whatever it is, it's on me now. Okay, so I literally just ordered these online a little while ago, and I have no idea what the colors are. I just know that they are like really, really vibrant, like pastel, I believe. So which one should I use? There's so much to choose from here. That is the noise of me mixing all these up. I'm just going to pick. I have no idea what color it is. So let's put it on, shall we? Okay, if I had to guess, I would say that this is purple. Like, it gives me purple vibes. Like, at first I thought maybe it was brown, but now I'm thinking it's purple. Let's do our best here. Okay, now it's looking like kind of gray. Is this gray? Everything is just mixing together so much. I have no idea if that's even standing out at all, because now it's just a big mush of like brown on my eyes. I'm gonna add some mascara. I'm gonna assume this mascara is black. Yes, it is. I'm just kidding. That's the only one I have. It's black. And now it's onto the lips. So I kind of know where everything's situated in here. So I'm just gonna spill it all out, which pains me. Trust me, it pains me. But otherwise I'll know. And I'm just going to mix them up in my lap, just like so. And I will just pick, I want like kind of, I'll pick this one. This one looks good. Kind of looks like a taupe color, right? Let's do it. I'm just gonna line this. Now this is difficult because there's nothing coming off of this baby. Everything is difficult. Ooh, I think my lips just arrived as well. Hi lips, what's up? Okay, these I can kind of figure out just based on darker. I kind of know what that is. These I have absolutely no idea because, yeah, they all look the exact same. So I guess I will just take, oh my goodness, look how much those look the exact same. I guess I'll just pick this one. And it looks like a really bright pink. Let's see. Is this like even going on, or is this like chapstick? It smells good though. Now I have these glitters as the final step, so I'm going to just take one. They all look the exact same, so I'll just grab a random one. I'll just use this one here, and I'm just going to put that on just kind of near the outside of my eyes. We'll just do like a little going off the eyes moment on the outside and out. I hope this isn't too dark because I have to go rollerblading to Emma's house today. All right, should we take the hair down? Really give this look the best to work with. Oh my goodness, where did this knot honestly come from? Holy crow. Oh my gosh, will I ever get that out? Okay, so I think I'm gonna guess that my lips are light pink and that my eyes are purple. I don't know why. I just feel like purple is kind of a dark color without being brown. So that's gonna be my guess. But let's turn these LED lights off and let's look at our face. What did we do? Ready? 3. I'm so nervous. I'm like scared. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. It's awful. I did a terrible job. Oh my gosh, my nose contour. It's so dark. Whoa, okay, so that eyeliner that I was using was like bright blue. Okay, noted. The eyeshadow was like purples, pinks, some like really, really dark tan in here. And that sparkle actually goes like very well. And then my lips are not light pink, not even close. They're like hot pink. And for some reason, this goes with my tank top really well. Like, I look like a mess, but like, I look like I also thought it through, you know? When I thought this was like chapstick or light pink, my application definitely got a little messy. That was actually so much fun. I'm like tempted to do that again just because I like getting a random look at the end. Like, something about that was really fun. Like, I want to do it again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you guys like this look, make sure to let me know down below. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!